13 incredible benefits of doing burpees daily. Burpee, isn't it a funny word? Well, funny or not, it is a powerful all-body exercise. This exercise consists of 4 steps: standing, kneeling to complete a push-up, rising to stand, and leaping into the air. Doesn't sound too complicated, but burpees can be really challenging. Despite being hard, it is a complete workout that focuses your quads and calf muscles as well as your shoulders, stomach, and back. They provide numerous advantages, including calorie burn, mobility, cardiovascular endurance, and much more. Still, lacking the motivation to include them into your workout routine? Let's talk about the 13 amazing benefits of burpees that will make you join the burpee craze. Number 1. Burn lots of calories. As the exercise is difficult, it will make you sweat a lot, but the suffering is worth it since you will lose a lot of body fat during the process. According to a 2015 study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, doing burpees require more oxygen than squats, deadlifts, and lunges, and the body burns extra calories to make up for the increased consumption. So if you're looking to shed some extra pounds, choose burpees the next time you work out. Number 2. Offers a full body workout. Ever wanted to train your complete body but were discouraged by the hassle of using weights and doing a ton of exercises for each individual body part? If so, we have a perfect solution for you. Yes, you guessed it right, burpees. They engage your upper and lower body muscles simultaneously, making them the ultimate full body workout. It is definitely one of the most important benefits of doing burpees. Being able to engage your legs, glutes, back, core, deltoids, and arms all at once makes them a fantastic compound exercise. Number 3, you can do them anywhere. If we do not always have the time or money to get to the gym, does that mean we should be lazy and spend the day sitting around? Absolutely not. And the good news is that you can perform burpees at home without any need to visit a gym or buy expensive exercise machines like ellipticals or treadmills. You do not need a lot of space either. You can perform some burpees in your hotel room even if you're traveling, so there are no excuses for skipping a workout. Number 4, improves flexibility. One of the benefits of burpees, and this one probably comes as a surprise to many, is that this exercise considerably increases your flexibility. When you regularly perform burpees, you will notice that your flexibility improves dramatically over time because of all the squatting and leg thrusting motions. You will benefit much from the flexibility and increased agility in life for many reasons. If you're more flexible, even simple actions like bending over to tie your shoes will be a lot simpler. Being flexible will also reduce your chance of injury, especially when participating in different athletic activities. Number 5, gain muscle strength. Burpees aid in boosting muscle growth and strength since they push you through a wide variety of strength-building activities, such as push-ups and squats. Burpees are a full-body workout, so in addition to strengthening the legs and arms, as with isolation exercises like bicep curls and tricep kickbacks, they also strengthen the back, hips, stomach, and other muscles. The advantages of burpees will be visible in your daily life as every physical difficulty becomes just a little bit simpler to overcome due to the variety of movements performed and the muscles exercised. Number 6, improve cardiovascular fitness. In addition to making you stronger, burpees can improve your cardiovascular health. Your heart has to pump more quickly and strongly during burpees to provide blood to your muscles. If you do burpees regularly, it will strengthen your heart over time. In addition, burpees improve the cholesterol levels in the blood. The amount of low-density lipoprotein, or LDL, also commonly referred to as bad cholesterol, decreases. This results in less plaque in your arteries and a lower risk of heart diseases and heart attack. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 7, increases lung capacity. Adding burpees into the regular exercise routine has great benefits for respiratory health, reducing chronic diseases like asthma and boosting stamina. The high-intensity exercise activates the pulmonary muscles and increases the lungs' ability to absorb oxygen. both of which promote healthy lung function and ensure easy breathing. Number 8, develop coordination. Executing the basic burpee or its more complex forms demands a certain level of coordination among body parts. If your body lacks coordination, doing burpees would be extremely difficult. But that is what burpees are here for. They gradually help you improve your coordination along with your balance, and you cannot have one without the other. Number 9, improve running performance. Burpees are perfect for runners, especially long-distance runners, because they stimulate a very high number of fast-twitch muscle fibers. Training those fibers allows runners to keep on going by increasing their endurance. Burpees are a blend of resistance and cardiovascular exercise that cause the body to respond in both anaerobic and aerobic ways. Therefore, it is quite effective for increasing the fitness level. Number 10, strengthen your mind. Yes, your brain loves burpees. It increases the level of essential hormones and neurochemicals that support the formation of neural connections. For instance, a growth hormone, known as a brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, helps the brain build new connections, improve learning, and even prevent neurodegenerative disorders. It also increases neurotransmitters important for controlling mood, motivation, and feelings of reward, including serotonin, dopamine, and endorphins. Number 11, improve your endurance. Want to get fit quickly? Whether it is to get in shape, try a new sport, train for a race, or look attractive, burpees can quickly help you reach your goal. Burpees are actually one of the best workouts you can do to improve your endurance and conditioning for sports and other activities. Your breath will shorten and your heart will race after just 10 consecutive burpees. Push yourself to 15 and then 20 once you feel at ease with 10. You will be able to add more and more to your fitness routine as you increase your endurance levels. Do them consistently and watch your endurance levels skyrocket. Number 12, helps you sleep better. Burpees are a great exercise to improve the quality of your sleep. It works by reducing sleep onset and by decreasing the amount of time you spend awake in bed at night. It also improves sleep indirectly. For instance, burpees lower the risk of excessive weight gain, which then reduces the likelihood of obstructive sleep apnea symptoms, OSA. Roughly 60% of moderate to severe OSA are linked with obesity. Number 13, you can vary the exercise to suit your needs. Once you have mastered the standard burpee and feel ready for a new challenge, there are numerous burpee varieties you can choose from. For instance, you can improve your balance by using a BOSU ball. Performing a pull-up every time you jump at the end of a burpee, add it to your HIIT, high-intensity interval training routine, or perform overhead shoulder presses with each rep while holding a dumbbell in each hand. You can also change the intensity of your burpees by pausing briefly between each one, going slowly and carefully, or trying to complete as many as you can in 3 minutes. So, are you ready to add burpees to your workout routine? If you do it correctly, your core, heart, and lungs will thank you for doing this workout. You can stick to a standard burpee, or for a greater challenge, try one of the many different burpee variations. Burpees may be the exercise that you love to hate, but if you do them correctly, you will surely love the results. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!